Hey guys, picked up these two vintage items for next to nothing at a garage sale a while back. I thought initially they were the same, but one's a Castell, which was made in Germany, and the other one's a Beryl turquoise that was made in the USA. These are special sharpeners for drafting pencils, or more properly referred to as lead holders or lead holders. There's the lead. But as far as I'm concerned, it's a pencil, so that's what I'm going to call it. Deal with it. Anyway, they're pretty self-explanatory. You push the button at one end, and the lead comes out the other end. This one is pretty dull, so we'll go ahead and sharpen it up. But you can't just go jamming it in there right away. There's a procedure to follow. First thing is the sleeve here. This needs to fit tight around the shaft, or you run the risk of breaking the lead after insertion. There's a second sleeve up front, but this one's even more loosey-goosey. It's like throwing a hot dog down a hallway. We need to find a tighter sleeve. A lot of times the extra sleeves are missing, but this one has a little compartment up front with two more sleeves inside of it, as well as some felt pads for cleaning off the tip. Nice. This one looks like a perfect fit. We just need this to keep the pencil centered while sharpening. So we'll install a new sleeve, but we're still not ready to sharpen. On the spinny part, you'll notice there's two different grooves here. One has a picture of a triangle on it, and the other a triangle with a slightly blunted tip. This is for setting the depth of our grind. I'll put the pencil up to one of the grooves, and then release the lead until it drops down into the groove. Now our depth is set, and we can start sharpening. And we have insertion. Now we just spin it around for a bit. Hey, this is kind of fun, kind of relaxing. Alright, let's pull it out and take a look at our tip. Wow, look at that. Precision ground. And after pulling out, you should always wipe it off right away. Get rid of any excess residue. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's a nice line. You're not going to get that kind of line with a regular wooden pencil and sharpener. Let's take a peek inside here and see how this thing works. The spinny part just pops off, and inside you can see the powder from grinding the tip, and the grinder down at the bottom with the beefy metal shaft going through it. Looking at the teeth on the grinder, it seems to be directional, so you'd want to always go clockwise while sharpening. And here is the slot where the lead sticks out of when it gets sharpened. This is why it's important to set the depth correctly before sharpening. And you can see why it wouldn't work with a standard wooden pencil. Only the teeniest bit of the tip would ever stick through here. Despite the two sharpeners being two different brands, I can swap the sleeve inserts around between the two of them. And even the spinny part on top will swap. Hey, look in this one. The powder turned blue. That used to be how you could tell if you were getting the good stuff. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Oh, man. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you later. I can't feel my face.